Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M13 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's find and open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now let's simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, just like in mine, I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything, I will remove everything. We can change also the time range from last hour, from all time to, for example, last hour, or 24 hours. It's up to you. I will pick last 4 weeks. So let's tap on Clear Data if we are ready. Tap on Clear and wait a second. Of course, it may take a while if your history is wide. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the browsing history and ending on saved passwords. So actually, this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy M13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.